I absolutely love what I do for my work. I love doing one-on-one sessions, especially. I've got a client session coming up now, and I've just been getting in the zone for it. Because when we teach you how to do this if you want to learn and curate, right? If you want to be a therapist or a practitioner, you have to get yourself into a good state before you work with someone. Because if I arrive in a low state, I'm not going to be able to help them, right? If I'm empty, how can I fill them up? So I need to be filled up. So I've just been dancing and singing and getting myself ready and feeling myself. And it's just so good because I know I'm going to go into this client session now. And they're already a super powerful person. They've made like multi six figures. They've got tens of thousands of people doing their courses and their programs, right? They're already a superstar. And we're now going to be looking at how do we get them to their next level. And this is so good, right? Because I get to help them, right? Whatever that is, if it's to upgrade their mindset, if it's to help heal some trauma, or if it's to create their next business plan, it's so good because when you do what we do in the quantum, I don't even have to know their thing. I could sit with the President of the United States, maybe I would love that. I could sit with the President of the United States and they could say, okay, we've got this big problem. How do we end homelessness? And we could come up with a plan together because the answers come from within them. It comes from their super consciousness. I don't need to know anything about their field. And this is why it's so juicy because I just get to sit there, connect and guide. Right? We guide them. We guide you how to get the answers from yourself. And it's so fun. I come out of my sessions, I'm ecstatic. Because it's basically like a meditation. It's like a journey, you know. I'm there for the whole hour or 2 hours or however long it takes, depending on what the issue is. And we solve people's biggest life problems. If that sounds fun to you, if you don't love what you do right now, come and learn Curate. Come and learn how to help people. Whether you charge for it, whether you do it for free, like being able to help people with whatever their issue is. So if they've got health issues, we help them come up with a plan to heal their health issues, get to the root cause of it. If they've got financial issues, we help with that. If they've got, they want a career change, whatever the thing is, it's so juicy. And the other thing I get to do is I get to do events. So this Friday, I'm going down to London. We're doing an event. If you're in London this Friday, come join us. It's called Align Your Soul. It's with my amazing soul brother called Prash. If you're in London, this Friday, Align Your Soul. I think it starts at 7 p.m. It's in Harrow. Come and join us for 3 hours of ecstasy, dancing, singing, meditation, upgrades. It's so good. And I get to do this, right? This is a choice I made. So I used to work in corporate, for everybody who knows. I was working for this huge, like $2 billion company, worked my way up to a really good position. I was called the Partnerships and Alliances Manager or something, right? I was basically doing really great stuff, getting paid really well, but it was just not what I was supposed to be doing. Maybe you know the feeling, right? I was like, this is something, there's something deeper. And then I moved to London. I became a sales director for this other software company, and I just knew there's something more, right? I'm here for something more than this, and full respect if you love your job, you're working in corporate and you love it, amazing. Like, we need people who love what they do, right? It's so key. When you are filled with life, you ignite others, you breathe life into others, you ignite others. It's so magical when you see people, their eyes, you can see the spark, right? If they've got that sparkle or not, I can tell if they're really aligned, if they're really doing what their truth is. And the system we're in, the system you were born into, if you're in the West, like me, I'm in England, it's fundamentally flawed, right? It rewards people who are obedient servants. And there are challenges if you then step outside of the conventional systems. But there is so much opportunity for those people who are willing to forge their own path, you know, who are willing to be the first people to do something, to create something new, to create content or create courses or create modalities or whatever your product or whatever that thing is, songs, music, art. Like, there's so much potential if you're brave enough to go and figure out what you need to learn and then actually do it. That's the piece, right? We all get these ideas. Oh yeah, I should totally do that. But then do we go and do it? Do we find the support we need? Do we find the information we need? Do we actually go and do it? And that's what I love, because I can kick people in the butt. So I'm about to go do this client session. I'm super pumped. If you're in London on Friday, come and play. You can start your own public speaking business if you want. That's one of the things I teach people. You can start your own YouTube channel. You can become a curate practitioner. You can do whatever you want to do. I work with so many people who are in their 50s, in their 60s, and they just then figure out, I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. And they still go and do it. I know someone who started their business at 52, I think, and now they just hit a 6-figure month. They made $100,000 in a month. They started their business in their 50s. Like, you can totally do this. And if you are excited about that, drop me a message. Let me see how I can support you. There's so many different ways. If you want to do some one-on-one sessions, I've got loads of courses and programs, loads of events. Let's figure out how we can play. I just got booked for speaking at a festival this summer, and that's one of my other favorite things. I love speaking at live events. If you have any podcast or TV show or anything like that and you want me to speak, if you're looking for a good guest, let me know. It's my absolute pleasure. I even flew out to America, to Hollywood in LA. I did a radio show out in LA. That's on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out. That was such a great experience. We ran some events out in America. The possibilities are literally limitless if you're willing to go and do the brave thing. I said to my wife yesterday, it's a quote from a movie. It says, all you need is 20 seconds of insane courage to change your life. But I'm in the process of writing a book, right? I'm publishing a book, and that's I need about 20 hours of insane courage to go and publish this book. I was just speaking with my book publisher today, and it's just not 20 seconds, it's 20 hours, right? Of insane courage to get this book out. And whatever the thing is that you need to do, whether it's 20 minutes or 20 hours or however many seconds it's going to take you of insane courage, go do the thing. One of my teachers, one of my best ever teachers, called Wayne Dyer, he says, don't die with your music inside you. Don't have regrets when you come to your deathbed, right? Or in your final moments, and you go, I just wish I'd done that thing. Do the thing. Doesn't mean you have to quit your job and create some massive big issue for yourself. Build your thing on the side if you want. That's what I did. I built my thing on the side while I was working in corporate. You can totally do that. Find your way. If you are a go all in and burn the boats kind of person, great. If you're a more slow, gradual person, great. There's so many different ways that you can play this game. You're amazing. I hope you know you're amazing. I hope you feel that beautiful spark ignited in yourself from watching this, and let me know in the comments in the chat, what is your thing? What do you love? What gets you so excited? Are you already living your dream? I'd love to know that too. I'll see you really soon. You're amazing. Love you loads. Have the best day.